Hello all, this is a quick video just to go through some of the architectural resources that are available from Azure. It's not a particular technology, it's the architectural resource templates and web links, and I will put them in the comments below with this message to help you kind of navigate, plan, think about deploying, designing Azure services. So the first one is Cloud Adoption Framework. You can get to this from a number of ways. The Microsoft shortcut, aka.ms/CAF, CAF, Cloud Adoption Framework. Once this loads, it's probably worth mentioning this little drop down here on the architecture, Cloud Adoption Framework, Well-Architected Framework, and the Azure Architecture Center. Each of these cover a specific element of planning to move to the cloud, designing properly for the cloud, or designing for a cloud-only approach, and also what services are available in Azure and how can you do good design, good architectures, and what is anti-patterns within there. So an anti-pattern is a pattern that you want to avoid. It's a pattern that will cause you frustration. And if you've done something similar like TODAF, MODAF, or other frameworks, you'll be familiar with that concept. So if I come across to the Well-Architected Framework and scroll down a bit, you can see that it's split into a number of pillars. You can reach out if you're a unified customer, and there are a number of assessments that are available through here. But you can see, you can look at those pillars, you can look at the workloads, you can look at the service guides. I'm not going to go through each of these, but fundamentally it's those 5 pillars: so cost optimization, the security of it, reliability, operational excellence, and performance. As I say, you can scroll down, you can then specifically choose a particular workload to then come through. You'll see AI workloads are at the top for some reason. Let's not talk about agentic AI at this moment. I'll scroll right to the back top and then come to the next link in the side. This is the MCRA, so aka.ms/MCRA. will take you there. Microsoft Cyber Resilience Architecture. The exciting thing, and I do mean this, has been recently updated. You can see the 2 links at the bottom here, one for the videos that talk you through how to consume this content, how to make use of the content, and also the content itself. Effectively, their videos are up here, and the workshop content is within here. There are additional materials. Please reach out if you've got questions. There is the ability to download this and then open it up. It's a PowerPoint and it's interactive and will take you to the capability and how you could deploy it. It's not a technology guide in its own right. It is talking about the capabilities of the technology to support your organization, improve the maturity of business, process, and people. If I come across to the next one, you will see that we've got the Azure pricing calculator. No conversation about design or architecture is complete unless you've at least saying how much is it going to cost and what are we prepared to accept. You can see within here, you can select the service and then you can set the geolocations and then you can do an estimated cost. You can save these and then you can come back to them if you want. I'm not going to go through that, but you can see that the features are actually labeled in terms of the capability you want to go through, including AI and machine learning. If you were to put in here Sentinel or SIEM, if I could type properly, you can see you've got Sentinel, and you can see, please reach out if you want to know more about the costs. Notice at the moment I've got this set from above into USD, but depending on where I want to place this and changing the section at the top, depending on the amount of logs I want to ingest and the size of those, and also it will offer me different options for retention depending on what I want to do. And what I mean by that is how long do I want to keep the data, how often do I want to put it, and where am I going to put it? There is a lot of optimization that you can do within that product. I'm trying to keep these videos to less than 5 minutes, so these are a very high level. These are the information. This is where you go to get further information, but please reach out if there's something else in particular you want to go through or that you're currently planning or deploying as a project. I would love to know more about the capability you're looking to consume. Thank you very much.